Okay, so this is from question number 2, alright, so on the topic numbers, and this is third question. Alright, so 2 is 18 plus 72, alright, so we know third or square root, so this relate with the square numbers, so we have, alright, so we can make a list here, okay, 1 square, can make a square root of 1, yeah, and then 2 come from a square root of 4, 3 come from square root of 9, or we do it 3 square is 9, right? So 4 come from 16, 4 times 4, 5, 5 times 5, 25, yeah, 6 times 6, 36. All right, somehow you have to know that, or say you have to remember these numbers. Okay, then after that we start putting it here. All right, set 18. Okay, set 18 come from 9 times 2 is 18. 72 come from 36 times 2. Yeah, so we have the list here. It may help us to do it quicker. All right, so set 9, set 2, yeah, this set 36, set 2. All right, so then this set 9 we have 3, set 36 we have 6. All right, so what will happen is 3 set 2 plus 6 set 2. All right, so this is like a 3x plus 6x, something like that. Yeah, so we can imagine that way. So that will be 9x, which is 9 set 2. All right, so this will be the answer. All right, okay, so question B, rationalize the denominator. Okay, so rationalize the denominator means that we need to make this denominator as a rational number, right? So this is the irrational number, or we can say we need to have a whole number here. Okay, so the concept that we're going to apply for this particular rationalizing denominator is, again, a square minus b square equal a plus b multiplied by a minus b. All right, okay, so this is the concept, the only concept that we're going to apply in rationalizing denominator. So it means that when you have two bracket being multiplied, exact same values inside, one side is positive plus, another side is negative minus. All right, so we can take the first value square minus the second value square. We can only do this if we have the exact same thing we multiply together. One is plus and one is minus. So we're gonna make that to this question. When we rationalizing denominator, that is what we're gonna do. So what happened is okay, the question is set 5 plus 2. So we're gonna multiply, all right, the denominator will go first, set 5 minus 2, right, to satisfy, to have to apply the rules. So we're gonna put this one, we have plus version, we put the minus version, so numerator will follow. Okay, now we start multiplying, right? When we multiply this, multiply with this, and this multiply with this, yeah, multiply fraction. So the numerator multiplied by 1, so we're going to get set 5 minus 2. Okay, and the denominator, so we have set 5 plus 2 multiply with set 5 minus 2, which is like I said just now. So we're going to apply this rule down here. All right, so look carefully. This is the A and this is the B, and the operation is minus. Yep. Okay, let's do that. So set 5 minus 2 over set 5 square minus 2 square. Okay, now we're going to start evaluate or calculate it. Right, set 5 square is 5, 2 square is 4, which is denominator 1, nice number. Set 5 minus 2. So simple, yeah? Okay. Alright, so next question. This is, I think, on question 24. This is not really a purely set or rationalizing denominator kind of question. This is actually solving quadratic equation. It's just that they want it in set form. Let's see what we're supposed to do with this. How we're going to solve this. Right, cross multiplication. Yeah, cross multiplication. 5x plus 1 and minus 8x. Just single there, so straight away write it there. So that the denominator going to multiply other and then equal 3. Yeah, okay, so expand 5x plus 5 minus 8x over x squared plus x equal 3. Alright, so we're gonna move everything down here to the other side so that we do not have denominator anymore. So 5x plus 5 minus 8x equal 3 x squared plus x. Yeah, and this when it's at the denominator, it's a divide, and when bring over, it become multiplication. So now we need to multiply each of it. So this 5x and 8x, we can solve actually. 5 minus 8, negative 3x plus 5 equal 3x squared plus 3x. Now we can see the quadratic here. Right, so bring all at same side. Okay, I'm going to bring to the right side because the x squared is here. It doesn't matter which side you bring, just follow the sign, right? If this one minus 3x bring over across the equal sign, it become plus 3x. Plus 5 bring over, it become minus 5. Yeah, and here nothing left, 0. 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. Okay, so this is our quadratic equation. As they said in the set form solution, it's kind of like clue to use the formula, your favorite formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yeah, so all over 2a. So this is the formula. So we're going to substitute that, follow that accordingly. Alright, so negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared minus 4, 3, negative 5. Yep, all over 2 multiplied with 3. Okay, so what do we get here? Okay, so we're going to get negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 square minus 4 times 3 times negative 5. You get 96 over 6. Okay, so this is where it's gonna split. One is plus and then the one is minus. Okay, so negative 6 plus, okay, so this 96 is 16 times 6 all over 6. Negative 6 minus, we have plus just now, so now is minus 16 times 6. How we get 16? 16 times 6 is 96. Yeah, okay, why I chose 16? 6 square root of 16 is 4. Yeah, so what will happen here? Negative 6 plus 4 set 6 over 6. Yeah, another one, negative 6 minus 4 set 6 over 6. Okay, then after that you simplify the 6. Here's 6, you simplify with this will be 1. However, 6 and 4 you simplify, you get 3, and then you get 2 here. Right, so 6 belongs to both. Yeah, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so the final answer can I write in the box up here. Okay, so it will be negative 1 plus 2 set 6 over 3. Alright, just the first this one over 3, and then the other one negative 1 minus 2 set 6 over 3. Alright, so 6 over 6 for the first part is produce 1 here. Yeah, okay, so that's why we only have the other one. Yeah, okay, so this is not really a set number, a set question. This is a quadratic equation. They just want the final answer in the set form. Yeah.